In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a chart type in your spreadsheet. If you've already created a chart but realize a different style would tell your story better, you can switch the chart type in just a few clicks. This is helpful when, for example, you want to compare categories with bars instead of lines, or show parts of a whole with a pie chart. Start by clicking the chart you want to modify. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles around it. Selecting the chart ensures the tools you need appear in the interface and that any changes apply to the right object. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the chart and click the three vertical dots, often labeled More Options. This opens a quick menu tied to that specific chart. If you don't see the dots, hover your mouse over the chart for a moment, or make sure you have permission to edit the file. From that menu, choose Edit Chart. This opens the chart editor panel on the right side of your screen. The editor centralizes everything you need to manage how your chart looks and what data it uses, so you won't have to hunt through multiple menus. In the chart editor, click the Setup tab. The Setup tab is where you control the fundamental structure of your chart, including the data range, and, most importantly for this task, the chart type. If you're on another tab, such as Customize, simply switch back to Setup. Find the Chart Type drop-down and click it. You'll see a list of options such as line, bar, column, pie, and more specialized types like scatter or area. Choose the type that best matches your data and the message you want to convey. For trends over time, a line chart is usually clearest. For side-by-side comparisons, bar or column charts work well. Use a pie chart when you want to show proportions of a whole and your categories are limited. As soon as you select a new chart type, the chart updates automatically. Take a moment to review the result. Switching types can affect how series are displayed, which axis is used, and how labels or legends appear. If something looks off, you can pick a different type, adjust your series in the editor, or use Undo to revert. When you're satisfied, you can close the editor. Changes are saved as you go, and your chart is now ready to present, share, or refine further with visual styling.